Hi, I'm Malvika, your digital marketing coach and counselor from Board Infinity. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Board Infinity. Like every week, we are back with some really interesting content all around building your career and transitioning to the corporate. Today, we will be talking about a few quick tips for you to help yourself and build your blogging site. Step 1. The first thing you've got to do is pick a blog name. Make sure it's descriptive and speaks about what you will be representing and talking about on your blog. A really good suggestion would be to use a relevant keyword as your blog name itself.
Remember that you cannot use any spaces or punctuation other than dashes in a domain name. If you find that the name you wanted is already taken, there are a few things you can do about it. Try a different domain extension. If the .com version is already registered, you could still be able to get a .net or a .org version of the name. Though I would say your first preference should always be a .com merely because it has a greater recall value. You could also use small words such as my, best, the. And a good example of this would be you could say happyproject.com, but if happyproject.com is not available, then you could go ahead with thehappyproject.com. And lastly, you could use a hyphen between the words. So instead of just happy project, you could have happy-project.com.
The second step in developing your blog site would be to go online. So find a hosting site. Some of the hosting sites that you could refer to are Wix.com, GoDaddy, or even WordPress. So check out the one which is most suitable for you and get your website hosted. Step 3 in developing your blog is to design it and have a unique template. There are thousands of free templates available online which you can use and customize basis your blog's design. Remember to have a fixed color palette because this will add so much more character to your blog site.
Everyone has a different idea on how they want their blog to look. One of the greatest things about WordPress is that you can change your entire layout and design with just a few clicks. In WordPress, blog layouts are known as themes. Now, if you're wondering what a theme is, a theme usually controls the entire design of your WordPress blog. To change the theme, you're going to be clicking on Appearance tab on the left menu and take it from there.
The fourth step is the most fun part. This is where you get to put together your blog posts. So go ahead, draft a blog post that you would really enjoy sharing with the world and let it do its magic.
Your blog content should be regularly submitted at specific intervals. Waiting months to create content will never build traffic. Posting content weekly and driving traffic to these posts will help build your brand. Not to forget, it is super important for you to optimize your blogs as often as you can, perhaps in every 15 days.
Now, after you've written, drafted, and published your blog post, the most important step is to promote your content. Writing your content is only one half of the job. Promoting it and propagating it and making sure it reaches your audience is the most crucial aspect of having a blog site.
The very first people who should become aware of your blog is your inner circle. This includes your family, friends, and even your colleagues within your field. Encourage them to become your followers, ask them to mention about your new blog, and most importantly, thank them when they do that.
And the last point is to optimize your content every 2 weeks, if not earlier. Remember that your content needs to be updated every now and then so that it stays relevant for your audience. Give people a chance to check out your social media and let them have a sneak peek into your YouTube channel, your podcast, or maybe even your Instagram account. I think these are some of the most important pointers that you have to keep in mind when you are developing your blog site. There are so many other things that we would love to share. Don't forget to hop onto our website boardinfinity.com to explore all our classes and certifications that will help you build a stellar blog site.